And I'm with Aptix. We are a global design and manufacturing company. And before I share a little bit about Aptix, I like to kind of start the session with just a few tips and tricks from the contract manufacturing perspective. So today I'll be sharing 3 things on fundraising and how you can work with your contract manufacturing partner to help with your fundraising efforts. So our first tip is to engage early. You know, you want to make sure that you're aligning on the scope and the deliverables and the budget with your contract manufacturing partner before you start fundraising. That way you know that you're both aligned on the expectations and you'll avoid any under fundraising or over promising on deliverables. Second tip is to embrace the unexpected. Pretty much the only given in R&D is that we know there's going to be challenges and bumps in the road and hurdles that we need to get over. So really it's important to embrace the unexpected and embrace these challenges. So ask your contract manufacturing partner before you're fundraising where they see risk and how you can partner together to either mitigate that risk and plan within the budget and schedule to alleviate that risk, and really make sure you guys are aligned together. And the final step is to plan ahead. So for anything that might be unknown, we typically recommend to include a buffer in the schedule and budget, at least 20%, if not more. It's important to chat with your contract manufacturing partner and figure out what the appropriate amount of risk might be to include. So really, the short of it is control what you can and plan for what you can't. So who are we and how can we help? We are Aptix, and I work with our interventional systems group. So we are focused on minimally invasive implants and catheters. You may formerly know us as Medical Murray. We were acquired by Aptix this year, but we've got the same experts. We've just got a new global powerhouse behind us. So Aptix has 14 sites worldwide, with our main device manufacturing facility being US-based. We're focused on implants, delivery systems, and other complex catheter systems. So really, we are that contract design and manufacturing partner that can serve as one source for unlimited solutions. We have top expertise in design engineering, molding, extrusions, coating, and full manufactured device assembly. We can really support you all from concept to commercialization with design, prototyping, iterations, design verification, and ultimately full-scale manufacturing. So with Aptix, we're helping you all shape what's possible for tomorrow. And with that, I'm excited to get the session started.